Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by enabling visual voicemail so you can see messages. Make sure your carrier supports it and that cellular data or Wi-Fi is on. Open the phone app and tap the voicemail tab. If you see Setup Now, tap it and follow prompts. Create a voicemail password when asked, then record either the default greeting or a custom greeting so callers hear your message. Once done, your inbox will populate with message entries you can manage visually. Next, you'll handle messages efficiently. Tap a message to play it and use the share icon to export audio to notes, files, or a contact. This preserves important messages. Once you're comfortable, tap Edit to select multiple messages for deletion or saving so your inbox stays organized. iOS often transcribes messages automatically. Read the transcription to quickly scan content, and copy text if you need to forward or keep it. Make sure to periodically back up saved audio files to iCloud. Finish by customizing and troubleshooting. To change your greeting, open voicemail and tap greeting to record a new message. This keeps callers informed. If you need a stronger layer of security, go to Settings, Phone, and change voicemail password to update it. If voicemail won't load or messages don't appear, toggle airplane mode off and on, restart your iPhone, and make sure cellular data is enabled. If that fails, contact your carrier to refresh visual voicemail on their end and confirm provisioning.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.